always have our no talking themed hand sounds videos. Sometimes we have some rambling and hand sounds. Sometimes we have some hand movements. Why not just put it all together? Because then I can also ramble and talk as I do my work. But it's not really work for me. I have a lot of fun, or I enjoy doing this. I don't know if ASMR is really supposed to be a fun experience. It's supposed to be relaxing, and I do relax myself as I make these videos. I guess that's what I was trying to say. But I usually get very focused, especially with the hand sounds. I usually just get into it and get in my zone. Get some more movements, and then we'll get back into the sounds. So, anyway, I do see all of your suggestions. By the way, I remember them. I always refresh my memory on my schedule, what I want to do. I know that someone said they wanted some kind of latex glove video. I already did one of those a few months back. So yeah, I'm definitely want to do another one of those. I have some clear latex gloves and some blue ones, so I do not know if the color matters. And let me just go down a few times and do it again with my left. Okay. Another suggestion that I heard was the mic scratching, and that's something I really want to do. I've been wanting to do that for a while. My mic is a shotgun microphone. That makes it kind of different than the microphones that you traditionally see in ASMR. And the thing is, I really have to get my settings right on this mic and in editing if I'm going to do a scratching the mic video. Because the way a shotgun mic works is, the closer you get to the direct tip of the mic, the more intense the sound is going to be, the more it's going to pick it up. Which is why you're able to hear my voice relative to where I am standing. It picks that up pretty well. And of course, I do want to get like a Blue Yeti or something. But at the same time, I learned to embrace this one because it's not very common in ASMR. I think that might just that's what makes my content unique, maybe, because it gives off a slightly different sound. It picks it up in a different manner. That's what I'm trying to say. So yes, I would like to do a mic scratching video. And I also really like the movements. I'm fairly new at that. My videos don't really have many movements like that, so I'm trying to implement that into my videos more. I really liked other stuff that I do. Those always seem to get some kind of attention. As well as my guitar related stuff. But either way, enough about me. Enough about me. Let's just focus in the moment. I feel like we have to get grounded, because as much as I like talking about different topics and stuff, it's always good to get re-grounded in the moment. That's something that they teach in meditation classes, or just meditation in general. There's actually a way where you'll learn to ground yourself in your current environment. It's like a feeling like a skin that goes from your head to your toes and all throughout your body, and you have to learn to scan yourself and to make yourself grounded. Literally, it really feels like you are grounded, like your feet on the floor. You know, you really just kind of focus on that, and it helps, because we can get so caught up in our minds that sometimes you just gotta stop and just refocus, get grounded. And just as I say that, I can hear some rain starting, which works fine. Redirecting our attention back to the Rode VideoMic Pro shotgun microphone. Like I said, because of how this mic works, you probably won't even hear the rain, even though I can. Mainly because the rain is in that direction, and the mic is facing me. So the mic won't pick up anything behind it. And I could already hear it stopped. It was just a little patter, and that was it. And let's add some fluttering around the mic, and some tapping like this. I haven't made much tapping stuff, mainly because I really just like using my hands. You know, that was never my intention, really. I just did some hand sound stuff, and I elaborated on it, and I elaborated on it. I remember when I first started. I only did one kind of sound. It was like this. And that's all I did, really. That was right when I started. Then over time, I really started to develop all these different kinds of stuff that I do with my hands. I developed, these sounds just by watching other ASMRists and by experimenting with my own. There's really a lot of stuff that I do, and now I've been doing, like I said before, trying to implement the hand movements. I really like those. Good stuff, good stuff. Some people really make good hand sounds. I mean, my fault. I meant the movements. we are brushing. I'm getting so close, but not touching, just almost a brush. Almost a brush. Close. Very close to touching. I hope that you find this relaxing. I am being very delicate. I am being very gentle. I am doing a good job. Confidence. For real though. I think confidence is very important in ASMR. It really is. It's really important. Because I know this might sound crazy. Wow, that was a stretch. Anyway, I think that there are such things as insecure sounds. You know, you have to be confident in your craft. No matter what, even if it's not the best quality, you just have to be confident in your craft. You know, I'm still fairly new. But I gotta tell you, I really gained a lot of confidence ever since the creation of my channel. It's only been over a year, but I'm really starting to warm up. The confident sounds are the best sounds. I think it's awesome how visuals really go hand in hand with the sounds. The feelings can be very similar. Just how you feel ASMR in your spine, you can also feel a similar sensation due to visual stimuli. That's why you see... Oh, that was close. Very close. Almost. Oh, very close, very close. Just like we are brushing right across. Like I said, you can really feel some of the visuals almost in your eyes, or in your forehead, or in your temples, or behind your eyes. That's why you see many doctor role plays and stuff like that, where they say follow the light. They say follow the light, and they hold a flashlight, and they say follow the light, and they make you go up and down and all around. appreciate you sticking by. I will point, poke at you with my fingers, just like that. I really enjoy that trigger when it is done to me. When I see other ASMRists doing it, it's actually insane sometimes. As I am doing this right now with my hand motions, I honestly feel like there's some kind of force on the tip of my fingers as I get closer to you. Just like this. As I get closer and closer, I can almost feel some tingly little waves or some kind of force on my fingers. And I really hope that you are relaxed. You might be asleep, or you might just be getting very, very sleepy. Not actually asleep yet, but on the verge of falling asleep. Or you are just enjoying my company, just like I am enjoying yours. Hopefully my flowered shirt relaxes you. However that might work. Originally, I was going to wear a white dress shirt. Wow. That feels powerful when I grab at you like this, and then just like take it back, and then grab and then take it back. Just like that. I can do that for a little bit. Then go back to some fluttering. And then go in for the grabbing. There we go, very nice. As I said, I was going to wear some white today, but I could not find my dress shirt, so I just said, hey, I'll put on my blue flower shirt. That's a good shirt, so I did. I wore this in one other video, and that was it. I remember very vividly. Fluttering, and rubbing, and cupping. And of course, we have a secret hand sound that I saved for last. If you are one of the special people who have made it this far, first of all, I'm glad that you stayed by. But what we have is some knuckle is what I am here for. I am here to entertain. Is ASMR a form of entertainment? I say it is. Maybe I'm treating you. Because I know that ASMR can be a lot more than pure entertainment and enjoyment. Some of it can really help with anxiety and even depression. And I'm just thankful that we have such a great ASMR community. By far, the ASMR community is one of the most least toxic things in existence. Now, don't get me wrong. I know that there are some subgenres of ASMR that I think ruin it. But for the most part, we have a very great community of creators and listeners and watchers. And that is all I have to say. Thank you so much for watching.